You know how every brand loves to say this is our darkest black ever? Well, OnePlus is actually backing that up this time with the OnePlus 15's new absolute black finish. And honestly, it looks seriously stealthy. They're using what they call a fully matte silk glass with just 3.7% reflectivity, which basically means it barely bounces any light back at you. So yeah, it's not just marketing fluff. This is easily one of the darkest blacks we've seen on a OnePlus smartphone. But here's the thing, don't expect it to look like a black hole in every lighting condition. Even ultra matte finishes catch a bit of light, depending on where you're standing or what's around you. In bright sunlight, you'll see a bit of texture or soft reflection, but in dim light, that's when it really pulls off that deep, smooth, midnight stealth look. And honestly, that trade-off makes sense. Glossy blacks, like piano finishes, look deep and dramatic, but they attract fingerprints faster than you can wipe them off. The OnePlus 15's matte glass, on the other hand, is fingerprint resistant, subtle, and way easier to keep looking clean. It's the kind of finish that'll age gracefully. No smudges, no tiny scratches ruining the vibe. Oh, and before we keep going, if you love catching updates like these before anyone else, maybe hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel and keeps you in the loop whenever a new drop like this hits. Back to the phone. The absolute black finish isn't just a color choice, it's part of OnePlus's whole premium vibe this year. The device launches in China on October 27th with a global release expected in November, and it's shaping up to be one of the most stacked flagships yet. Under the hood, you're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, paired with up to 16 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1 storage. The display? A 6.78-inch LTPO OLED panel with 1.5K resolution and a crazy 165Hz refresh rate, surrounded by ultra-thin 1.15mm bezels. Battery-wise, it's packing around 7,300 mAh with 120-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging. So yeah, this thing's no slouch. For cameras, OnePlus is going with a triple 50-megapixel setup, now powered by their own Detail Max engine, signaling the end of their long-running Hasselblad partnership. And out of the box, it'll ship with Oxygen OS 16, based on Android 16. So yeah, if you're into sleek, fingerprint-proof finishes that still feel premium in hand, the absolute black OnePlus 15 might just be the one to grab. It's stealthy, practical, and looks incredible without screaming for attention.